Okay, let's take a look at the scientific inquiry assessment. This is our post assessment. The directions say read each question, review all answers, and select the best answer. Number one, is the following sentence true or false? Scientific inquiry often begins with developing a hypothesis. Number two, circle the letter of each sentence that is a scientific question. A, at what temperature does water boil? B, when does the sun rise on April 3rd? C, how can my team work better together? D, why does she like science more than he does? Number three, is the following sentence true or false? Scientists consider a hypothesis to be a fact. Four, is the following sentence true or false? If you did not control variables in an experiment, there would be no way to know which variable explained your results. 5. Circle the letter of each sentence that is true about graphs. A. A graph can reveal a trend in data. B. Graphs help scientists interpret data. C. Graphs are the only way to organize data. And D. A graph can reveal a pattern in data. Number 6. Circle the letter of each sentence that is true that explains why scientists describe their research in full when they communicate with other scientists. A. A scientific law requires scientists to pose questions. B. Other scientists need to be able to repeat a scientist experiment. C. Scientists share their data in scientific journals. D. A large set of related observations can never be a scientific theory. 7. Is the following sentence true or false? Future testing can prove a scientific theory to be incorrect. On the back, directions say matching the scientific term in the box to its definition. Terms are quantitative data, qualitative data, hypothesis, manipulated variable, responding variable, control variables, and data. Number one, this is the factor in an experiment that are not changed. 2. Data collected during observations that deal with the amount or number. 3. Factor that changes as a result of change to the manipulated or independent variable in an experiment. 4. Data collected during observations that deal with the characteristics that cannot be expressed in numbers. 5. The factor that a scientist changes during an experiment. 6. A possible explanation for a set of observations or answer to a scientific question that must be testable. 7. Facts, figures, and other evidence gathered through observations. Think about it. Directions. Read the statement below and answer to the best of your abilities. Number 1. Write a testable problem. Number 2. Write a hypothesis for the testable problem you created above. Please review your test and turn it into the windowsill when you're done.